this is what I look after this afternoon for lunch. Just only some vegetable that I found, whatever you found in the fridge, it's good. We just get some vegetable from the fridge and we just use it and we just make a big meal. We can serve also for 2 days, just a vegetable meal for all of us, the family. And look at it now, this is what I'm doing. Look, making a nice meal. So you can do the same thing also. This is why I call my thing Jamaican creative food, because we try to be always unique in whatever we do. So it's good. So come on, it's not only for me, it's for others also. We can do our thing, you know. So, and it's very healthy vegetable.